Hello guys, I welcome you all in today's video. And if you guys, encounter some problems on receiving payment or converting a currency on PayPal, then this video is for you because I'll be showing you how to report a problem on PayPal in just a few steps. Okay, so let's get started. So what we're gonna do, we need to go to PayPal website and we need to log in our account. So I got log in my account here. You just go to activity. Okay, let's say this one, guys, this Visa debit card, there is a problem on this one. So you just have to click this report a problem. Okay, and it'll take you to resolution center. So it says that tell us what went wrong, we'll help you fix it. Okay, just have to click that one. Okay, and do you recognize this transaction? Okay, no. Let's say you need to report, right? You'd say no, continue to report, and choose other transaction you don't recognize. Just hit continue. Okay, you need to put a proof, guys, here. You may provide any supporting document you might have to help us resolve your issue faster. So you can click, you can take some, screenshot on your laptop and put some notes here, and you just have to click submit button to send your report that you've encountered a problem. Okay, so that's it, guys. So I hope you enjoy and learn from these quick tutorials, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials on PayPal. Thank you.